Oh, hi, Lisa. Things are going great. I'm getting ready for the Bitcoin Plus Plus conference.
Great. What are you working on?
Well, this is an off-grid mining machine. I'm going to use my size manipulation device to make this Sterling engine really huge so we can mine off-grid.
Oh, dope. That's a great idea.
Yeah, the only problem is my code is really small. I can't see all the text.
Oh, have you tried zooming in?
Oh, that's a great idea. Control plus, right?
I think so, yeah.
Whoa!
Whoa, super. Nice
What's that?
job.
It worked. This thing's massive.
That's really good, yeah.
But wait a second. Lisa, I think we're on the table. I must have hit Control minus and shrunk us instead of hitting Control plus and making it big.
Well, can you undo it?
Well, it's not working.
Oh, man. Super, you know we gotta get out of this somehow.
We got that conference, June 7th to 10th.
Yeah, we got John Cantrell coming, got Jimmy Song, Nadav Cohen.
Thing's gonna be amazing. There's 2 days of hacking after 2 days of learning, right?
Yeah, it's gonna be great. But do you think they'll be able to help us get out of this situation?
That's a great idea. Maybe some of the people who come and learn how to make Bitcoin software and then do the hacking, maybe you guys can help us get big again. That would be awesome. So come to Bitcoin Plus Plus and supersize your Bitcoin knowledge.
And us.
Back you ants!
Where's the rain when you need it?